Let's get straight into their performance. Please welcome Aberdeen with their rendition of this reggae hit. It's a favorite of mine, I Can.
I know I'm blessed. I close my eyes and smile. Sometimes I feel like the richest man in Babylon. And I've done my best, so everything's alright inside. Oh, every morning I rise and stare at the sun. I know that it is a blessing. So when the evening comes, I lift up my eyes to the hills. I'm blessed, oh man. With my two hands in the air as far as I can. Oh, 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 oh,
Sometimes I'm lost and far from home, but I'll find my way. I follow my heart, I know I'll be found someday. While I'm lost, I learn and live. What do you say? Let's have a good time until that day. Oh, every morning.
oh, every morning I rise and stare at the sun. I know that it is a blessing. So when the evening comes, I lift up my hands to the hills. I'm blessed, oh man. With my two hands in the air as far as I can. Oh, 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 every morning I rise and stare at the sun. I know that it is a blessing. So when the evening comes, I lift up my hands to the hills. I'm blessed, oh man.
Aberdeen, good song. The message, love it. The lead singer, I love your delivery. I could listen to you all day. Choir, pretty good. Miss, please bring a drummer next time. What happened is that the tempo was unstable. So I couldn't follow with you, follow you. Yeah.
I enjoyed how you sounded, especially the entrances. You were very confident and you sang really well. Sometimes, though, at the end of the phrases, when you weren't sure when you're supposed to stop or start, you kind of died off. And I said, oh, we're supposed to stop here? I'm not sure, I'm not sure. And no, you must know when you must come in, or you come in late for your song. My girl.
You have to be careful of the movements. Once you decide to have movements for your choir, we have to work on it. They can't just do any old thing. So you had some sections when they went into a movement, and these are going left and right, and the middle ones were doing a different thing, right? So just that to fix, and maybe you could contrast, do a little dynamic contrast, now and then. But it was nicely done.
If Aberdeen motivated you to vote for them, then text or call 444-8806.